These two exercises will force your arms to grow. Building big arms entails performing heavy compound lifts and directly training your major arm muscles, using both low-rep and high-rep training. Just like every major muscle group, heavy weightlifting is the best way to stimulate muscle growth. Your exercise choice is also essential since some exercises are more effective for certain body parts than others. Another fact you must consider in your arms training is the volume or the number of reps you finish each week. However, you must remember that the heavier the reps, the fewer you can do each week. That's because heavier weights need more recovery. And so, here are 2 exercises that will surely compel your arms to grow. As to how you perform these exercises and why they make your arms bigger, find out with us in this video. Stay tuned until the end. Biceps concentration curl. Concentration curls let you focus on contracting the biceps muscle without using body momentum. This way, you can maximize the tension placed on the muscle. Out of all types of curls, concentration curls lead to greater activation of the biceps, which means more strength. How to do it? First, sit at the end of a flat bench with your legs open in a V shape. Next, grab a dumbbell with one hand, then slightly lean forward. Put your elbow against the inside of your thigh with your palms facing your middle. Then, place your other hand or elbow on the other thigh for a more stable form. As your body stays still, curl the weight slowly toward your shoulder. When lifting, turn your wrist slightly so you'll be ending the curl with your palm facing your shoulder. Pause for a few seconds to give yourself time to feel the effort in your bicep. Then, slowly lower the weight. Make sure not to rest it on the floor until your last repetition. Triceps close grip bench press. The close grip bench press is a superior exercise that helps grow your muscle size and strength. This exercise is also shown to boost muscle function and symmetry. How to do it? Use a flat bench or flat bench station. Position the barbell at the correct reach level so you can grip the bar off the rack by yourself. Load weight resistance based on your fitness level. Then lie flat on the bench through a close grip. Lift the bar with your arms locked, holding it straight over you. Take a breath and slowly bring the bar down toward your chest. For the whole exercise, keep your elbows close to your body. Exhale, then push the bar up through your triceps muscles, locking arms at the top of the movement. Rather than doing the exercises, the most crucial part is actually progressing on them. By this, we mean increasing the amount of weight you can move over time. If you don't progress, you don't get stronger, which in turn means you won't get bigger. Therefore, work on building your strength on these exercises and eat enough food to grow so your arms will respond the way you want them to. What arm exercises are you using? Do you have those 2 included in your routine already? Tell us about it below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.